Hello, welcome to vlog 19 July 2023. For this blog I'm going to check immediately afterwards whether it's possible to translate the CC closed captions into other languages. I know closed captions get auto-generated by YouTube, but I also wanted to check whether subtitles were available. If that's available via artificial intelligence, that would be absolutely amazing. So whatever is said can be understood by people globally. It can be by people who understand English across the world, but maybe subtitles are available practically instantaneously. I'm very interested in the capabilities of AI and ChatGPT. I was talking with my mum about something yesterday. I was checking what sort of stories and passages of text AI can produce and how it compares with the creative writing that I produce myself. I write blogs, and in a way it's a threat. Not only is it likely to cause problems for so many jobs, as in AI can do lots of jobs. One very key example right now is the strike happening in Hollywood, the SAG-AFTRA Screen Actors Guild strike that's happening. I'm aware of how much damage that might cause to people who work in the film industry but off the screen, who earn a minor fraction of what the screen actors earn, and yet who are going to suffer because the whole filmmaking industry is grinding to a halt, all the studios. I don't understand it very well because I'm not in it. I'd love to understand it better. I don't want to talk about subjects I don't know a lot about. I'd rather learn and understand what's going on from people who do. But I'm very interested in that subject in the same sense that I'm also interested and very concerned about how the world seems to be burning up right now. The extreme temperatures that are happening during the first 7 days of July, the warmest ever temperatures recorded occurred. There's an extreme heat wave taking place in southern Europe, in Extremadura in Spain. The land temperature has reached 60 degrees Celsius, and there's the possibility of 50 degrees Celsius air temperature in parts of southern Europe during the week ahead. And there's no end in sight to the blocking high pressure that is currently over Italy. It's got a wide impact from Greece to the Iberian Peninsula. I think it's extended as far north as parts of southern Germany. So there's a huge swathe of Europe where temperatures are much more unbearable than they normally would be for the height of summer. And of course, it's not just that. It's really hot in North America. I gather that about a third of the population of the USA is enduring extreme heat. They're under heat advisories. In North Africa, large areas of the Middle East and Asia, there's very high temperatures. The global temperature is 0.2 to 0.3 of a degree Celsius above what they normally are because El Nino increases the temperature. Then there's anthropogenic climate change, and climate change is very much manifesting. It's down to human activity. We're entering the Anthropocene, or we're probably already in it. There are a lot of things we can do about it. I started talking about this a little bit in some of my recent film review videos. It's something I'd like to talk more about in vlogs. I think I may start doing shorts and other videos. I'm not a big campaigner, but when it comes to existential matters, this is really important. I've invested a little bit in solar PV for producing electricity, and I think projects like that are really important. We need to increase micro renewables. We need to insulate our homes better. There are so many ways we can help reduce our fossil fuel usage, our energy consumption, active transport, walking, cycling, using public transport rather than individual cars. Right now, the UK is experiencing fairly unsettled and cool weather with the jet stream trekking to the south of us. But there are warnings that we may experience some of the heatwave weather at some point during the summer. This time last year, many weather stations across the UK recorded their first ever temperatures over 40 degrees Celsius. And we had some devastated wildfires, just the same as the wildfires that are causing mass evacuations and causing people to leave their homes. That's absolutely terrifying. When that's happening in Europe, it's going to increase the movement of people around the world, because people living in areas that are becoming desertified or becoming too unbearable to live under because of the temperature. There are many knock-on effects of the climate crisis. Right now it's the 17th of July and it's a difficult day as it's the anniversary of when my sister died, and so I'm going to make this video a tribute to her. She's no longer around, but I always think about her on this day. Well, I think about her on many days throughout the year, all the time. Today is also the 17th anniversary of when I edited and uploaded my first video to YouTube. I mentioned about a caterpillar video a few weeks back, and that was the first unedited video. I'm thinking of making a few of those, but also today is my first video that I've edited and uploaded. It was a trip to Finland I made with a friend in 2005. About a year and a half later, I got around to using Windows Movie Maker back then to edit it and upload it. So it's a really long time since I started doing this thing, and I'm very keen to explore the avenues for improving my channel, making it a worthwhile place to come. If you already like it, thank you very much. Thanks for any likes, any subscriptions if you subscribe to this channel. I would love any feedback, so if you have any thoughts, any suggestions, constructive feedback for improvements, do let me know. I appreciate it a lot, and just like to throw out compassion and love to everyone who care about humanity and about life on Earth. And so there are some really heavy subjects, but please do your best to stay safe, to keep well, and wherever you are in the world, take care. With love and compassion, I'll sign off here. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.